and we are going to do a little tutorial on how to connect a CCTV, also known as camera, in your home. So what we're going to do now, just at what we're using just two cameras and normal DVR. Our DVR, the hard drive, which is for storing what the camera picks, is storing it inside there, so that I can come back later to view it. We're also using the power plug, which is what helps the DVR to come on. Okay, these are the accessories too for the camera. So we just want to do a little tutorial. So here what we did now is to connect the hard drive to the DVR, which will enable it to store information. So he will be the one to, do most of the connections. If you see it here, it's going to be simple, but when we go to your house, you see that we're going to do a lot of connections, climbing. So this is just a little, just to give an idea of what to do with this. So I think you can copy this back. It has been connected.
And thank you. Hi, sir. My name is Emmanuel. As you see, we are from Multiman Multi-Facet Services. Yeah, that's the one. So I'm a trainee. So I just want to do a little practice. But now I've already connected this stuff, so I need to cover it. So this is it. I've coupled our existing back, our DVR. So now I want to, connect this now. This is our power plug and BNC plug. So this is a Doom camera and this is a bullet camera.
So how is it going, Mr. Emma?
Well, sir.
Would you want me to help?
I might.
So what we're doing now, we're trying to connect the DVR to the power plug before connecting the camera. So this is what enables the camera to show.
This into the DVR. This is the BNC. Joining them together so since there is no cable for us to take it from the ceiling to the house, so we are just doing a normal practical. So we just join two BNCs together that will go to the camera, from the camera to the DVR. As you can see now, the power plug now is from the power supply now going to the camera. This is our mouse. This enables us to control the camera in our television or whatever. So now as you can see, we are done with our connection here. So we want to power the power supply now using the cable, this cable, and this is our TV that will show us whether what we have done here is correct or wrong. So now I want to power the DVR. So this is the power cord for the DVR. So let me on the TV. So I've powered the DVR now. So it's for us to on the TV. The TV now is on for us to know if what we just did is correct or not. Already we have already put our HDMI to the TV. It's already connected to the TV. So I'll love you guys to watch. Okay. So as you can see, wow. See what we just did is working. You see, views everything. This is upside down. At least can you see it? Doing views. So this is how we connect our camera to our DVR, from our DVR to the power supply, from power supply to the television or monitor. Any of them you can call it, which anyone you just like. So thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe and share. Thank you very much.